everyone. We have spent a lot of time discussing the experience sections of your profile. Now let's move on to your profile summary. Your profile summary is a brief snapshot of who you are. It's a place where you get to define yourself in your own words. So who you are, what you do, what interests you, what you're passionate about, and what makes you different. It's one of the most important elements of your profile because it's the first opportunity you get to impress potential employers. LinkedIn gives you 2,000 characters, including spaces, to tell hiring managers, recruiters, and potential connections what makes you you. Many people overlook the profile summary, but to make the most out of your LinkedIn profile, please do not forget to include a summary of who you are. Like I said, it's the first thing people see, and if it's not compelling and informative, chances are potential employers and connections are going to move on to the next profile. Now, there is no right way to write a profile summary. A common practice is to simply list your qualifications, career highlights, and skills, much like this. This is okay, but it's not very compelling. You want to incorporate a bit more about yourself. You want to show your personality and what makes you different. Now let's take a look at a better profile summary. Here is a good profile summary. This profile summary has taken the points I showed you before and elaborated on them, and it's telling a story. Notice the use of I statements. I have shifted gears and am now focusing on the part that I love. It's much more interesting and showing your passion. Also, it includes specialties. In other words, it has incorporated key industry-specific words. So when recruiters and hiring managers look at your profile, they can see clearly that you have the skills they are looking for. Let's take a look at another good profile summary. This one's similar to the one we just looked at. It is telling hiring managers, recruiters, and potential connections who you are and what you have to offer. Notice the action verbs used here. For example, customer-centric, marketer, strategist, creating value. All these words really show the impact you have made to the various organizations you have worked for and makes for an interesting and compelling profile summary. Now let's take a look at a very different profile summary. This is a profile summary written by an aspiring news anchor. Now, depending on your career aspirations, you might choose to write a shorter, more concise profile summary. But given that this is an aspiring news anchor, this profile summary is really well suited for her future career aspirations. So let's take a closer look at this summary. Right off the bat, from the first paragraph here, you are intrigued and want to learn more about this person. It's very persuasive and compelling. As you read on, you see that this person has shared her career goals, her passion, her past work experience in projects and conferences that she has participated in, making for a very full, well-written, and very compelling profile summary. By the time you finish reading this profile summary, you have a really good sense of who this person is and what type of career they're aspiring towards. Now, like I said, there's no one good way to write a profile summary. There is no magic formula. A great profile summary is something that will take a lot of time and some thought. You might have to come up with a couple of drafts until you get it just right. So go back and review the information you have already inputted into your LinkedIn and think about how you want to summarize all that information in a compelling way. We have included some templates in the course to help you write a really great profile summary. So do not forget to check them out to help you as you write your summary. See you soon.